In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the support.apple.com/iPhone/restore error screen, aka your iPhone being stuck in recovery mode. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you see a message that says support.apple.com/iPhone/restore on your iPhone screen, that means your device is stuck in recovery mode, and this usually does happen after a failed update, a software glitch, or just an unexpected crash. And the first thing you're going to want to do is try force restarting your phone. The button combo obviously does depend on your iPhone model, but for the most part, it's going to be that volume up button, volume down button, and then the side button. Just hold it down until that Apple logo does appear. As soon as that Apple logo disappears, release that side button, and if your iPhone does restart successfully, you're done. If not though, you can restore using iTunes and Finder. Use iTunes if you're on Windows, Finder if you're on a Mac. Essentially, connect your iPhone to that computer with a USB-C cable or just a Lightning cable if you're on an older model. Enter in recovery mode again using that exact same button combo, and then your iPhone should now appear in iTunes or Finder, and choose one of the options that's going to appear. The first one is update. This is going to keep your data, and it is recommended to do first. But if that doesn't work, use restore, and that's going to erase everything, and use this if that first one does not work. Now, if you don't want to use that, you can repair using a third-party tool. Sometimes iTunes and Finder just can't fix that issue. I recommend using something like iMyFone Fix PPO just because this can resolve stubborn software problems with a higher success rate. It works on both Windows and Mac, and it can exit recovery mode for completely free. Standard repair mode is going to keep your data, and you can install this on your device no matter what. Just keep in mind some advanced features are going to require a paid license, but if that doesn't work, you most likely have water damage, you've dropped your phone, or you have internal hardware at fault, and your best option is just to contact Apple. Hopefully one of these methods did help you get your phone out of recovery mode though. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.